Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have the new Apple Watch, I don't know what it is, the 26 or something like that, just the newest one, whatever it is. I don't even know what numbers they use for these things anymore, but it's the newest one, just got it today. And it's titanium one, and this is it so far. I was working with the last version one right here. Let's see what we got. This is a cool looking band. Let's see what we got there. We got the band. So this is the Nike band for it. So it's got some little bit of flex to it, and it's got the Velcro going on there. And this is the watch. It's got a little weight to it. Not sure. See what it looks like inside. So we got a watch, and we have a wire, which is going to be USB-C to the watch charger. So that's cool to have an extra charger. I wasn't sure they'd give you those, but it comes wrapped up like this. And this is it here. So this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and put the band on it. So the band goes, just slide it on there like so. There's one side. There's the other side. And so now we have two watches. So I think I pulled down the button here to turn it on. And there it is. I have the new iPhone 17 that we will be pairing to it. We're downloading a software update, so might not be able to get much going just yet, but we're gonna see what happens when we turn this on. And I'm going from the old titanium, so it kind of looks pretty similar to that as well. Cool, I like the band though, it looks cool. I was using a metal band previously. So third party one here, okay, English. Choose the region. Boy, I'm surprised it doesn't start off in the United States as a default, but okay. Boy, there's a lot of regions. Okay. I don't even see US. Maybe it's under United States. Yeah, United States. Okay, and then we have to Apple start, and we have to start pairing, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to pair until I finish downloading, but it looks cool so far. So we'll update you with how it is after this. Very cool.